Recovering a deleted task in Asana is possible if acted upon quickly, as Asana retains deleted tasks in a recoverable state for 30 days. This applies to all account types, free, premium, business, via the web or app, iOS or Android. Only workspace admins or task creators can recover tasks, and no external tools are needed. The process takes 2 to 5 minutes. Log into Asana, open asana.com or the Asana app, sign in with your email and password, access the project, navigate to the project where the task was located, use the sidebar to select the relevant workspace or team. Open Trash. In the project view, click the three-dot menu, top right. Show deleted tasks, available in premium or business, free users contact support. Alternatively, go to My Tasks, View, Deleted Tasks, if it was a personal task. Locate the task, scroll or search for the deleted task by name. Tasks appear with a deleted label and are listed for 30 days post-deletion. Recover the task. Click the task. Select Restore Task. It reappears in its original project or My Tasks, with all details, comments, attachments, due dates, intact. Verify restoration. Check the project or task list to confirm the task is back. Notify collaborators if needed. Tips: act within 30 days. Tasks are permanently deleted after. For bulk recovery or free plan issues, submit a ticket at Asana. com/support. Enable notifications to track accidental deletions. If not visible, check other projects or contact support at Asana. Com.